Let us look at differential equations. Now, differential equations, it really shows the relationship between x and y. Well, as you know, x would be the independent variable and y the dependent variable, and one or more differential coefficients. And by the way, the book that I'm using with notes in it, that I took notes from, are Engineering Math. It is Engineering Mathematics by K.A. Stroud. Very good book. If you're studying engineering, I would advise you to purchase a copy of that book. Alright, so you have differential equations. It shows relationship between x and y. Now, you in the differential equation, you have a derivative of y with respect to x. Example, you might have, say, x times dy by dx minus y equals 0, or x d square y by dx squared minus y equals 0. Alright? Now, just like how you have polynomial and you say x plus y equals 0. I mean, yeah, it could be x plus, say, a number, a equals 0. X squared plus a equals 0. You would call this a first order differential equation because you're looking at powers of x, and it is a differential equation in x, where x is the variable, right? Now, here, you say it is a first order because you have x raised to the power of 1. And in this case, it's a polynomial in x, so this now as x squared, it is a second order, which is quadratic, right? Where x is raised to the power of 2. Now, when it comes to differential equation, you have order of the differential equation. You have, in this case, differential equation is concentrating on the dy by dx part. And here, this, you say it is a first order differential equation. Sometimes differential equation is shortened and you just say DE, first order differential equation. In this case, you have d square y by dx squared. It is really dy by dx. You know, again, second derivative. But because you have the dy by dx squared, d square y by dx squared, you say this is a second order differential equation, right? Now, if you have a polynomial and say x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0, you say this is a second order polynomial because the highest power of x is 2. If you have x d square y by dx squared plus dy plus y dy by dx plus a number 5 equals 0. You say this is a second order because the highest power of dy by dx, or the highest order of the derivative, is 2, right? Now, you generally will not be using any higher order than that, right? And you generally write the highest order, then the second to highest, then the second to highest, going from left to right. You might have a case where you see dy by dx plus 6d squared y by dx squared plus 7 equals 0. It's really 6d squared y by dx squared plus dy by dx plus 7 equals 0. Alright? And the highest power, the highest order is the second order. So you say this is a second order differential equation.